Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Kali ini saya mau membuat basic on top dress ya teman-teman. Jadi mau membuat bagian atas baju Barbie sebelum kita membuat bagian bawah. Jadi ini basicnya buat atasannya dulu. Untuk bagian gaun kita bisa buat berbagai macam motif, tapi untuk bagian atasnya saya selalu menggunakan SC saja. Ini basic bagian atas baju Barbie ya teman-teman. I make the basic on top. Make 23 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 chain. Ini untuk basic on topnya kita buat 23 rantai ya teman-teman. Skip 1, the next stitch 7 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The next stitch single crochet, increase 1 2 single crochet in one loop, in one stitch. We put the put the marker here, 7 single crochet, and then increase the next stitch 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6. The next stitch single crochet, increase 1 2. Put the marker on the right side. Make sure in the middle always 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet before and after marker. The next stitch 7 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Single crochet, increase 6 single crochet, increase 7 single crochet, row 2 1 chain, turn 8 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The next day increase, take up the marker, 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 2. Put back the marker on the left side. The next step, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take up the marker, increase 2 single crochet in one stitch. 1, 2. Put the marker on the right side. So this way you put the mark on the first SJ single crochet, increase on right side. For this side, put in the right side and left side. So make sure. The next step, 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 3, 1 chain, turn, 9 single crochet, 1 single crochet each stitch, 9 single crochet. Take up the marker, SJ, increase 1, 2. Put back the marker. And then 6 single crochet. 6 single crochet here. Take up the marker, 2 single crochet in the mark. Row 4, chain, 1 chain, 10, and then 10 single crochet. 10 single crochet, increase 6 single crochet, increase 10 single crochet. Row 5, 1 chain, turn, 11 single crochet, 1 single crochet each stitch. We make 11 single crochet. Until here, increase 6 single crochet, increase 11 single crochet. Row 6, 1 chain, turn, 12 single crochet, 12 single crochet, 12 single crochet, increase 2 single crochet in one loop in one stitch, 6 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in one stitch, 12 single crochet. Row 7, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, turn, 12 single crochet, 12 single crochet. Row 7, 12 single crochet, and then 1 stitch before mark, 1, 2. Put it together. Untuk row yang ketujuh, 7 SC, kemudian 1 loop sebelum penanda kita jadikan 1 ya teman-teman. Take up the mark, 2 single crochet together. Put the mark. 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 single crochet together. 1, 2. Have 3 layer. 1, 2, 3. 2 single crochet put together. Put the mark. 12 single crochet. Row A, 1 chain, 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, until here 11 single crochet. Untuk row yang ke-8 11 single crochet, kemudian 2 single crochet jadikan 1. Take up the mark, 1 stitch before the mark, put it together. 2 single crochet together. Six single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take up the mark, 2 single crochet together. Eleven single crochet for the next stitch. Kita kasih penanda untuk membuat lengannya, teman-teman. Kita lanjut. Jadi di sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 penanda. 1, 2, 3 penanda. Put the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row ke-9, row 9. Chain 1, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pas penanda. Seven single crochet. Untuk row yang ke-9 7 single crochet, kemudian 10 chain, 10 rantai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rantai. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitch. 1, 2, 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lepas penanda 11, kemudian rantai 10, chain 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Skip 3, 1 2 3, single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Kemudian kita slip stepkan, potong benang ya teman-teman, slip step, potong benang, rapikan dari dalam.